Rashi, let's revise our sounds.
Yes.
Yes? Okay, I'll write down the sounds and you have to tell me with action, okay?
All. Oh.
Okay, very good.
E.
Yes, what's the action?
E.
Very good. And what's this sound?
J. J.
You're dancing like a jelly. You're wobbling like a jelly. Okay. And
I.
yes,
I.
I. Okay. And
O. A.
yes, O and A. What sound do they make?
O.
O.
O. Yes.
Yes. Okay. Okay, next.
A.
What is it?
Snail.
Snail. Does it has A sound?
Yes.
J. And what sound does J makes? J. J. Okay, wobble like a jelly. J. 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 Okay. Now match the pictures which have J sound in them. Beginning sound. Okay, listen carefully for the beginning sound in each picture. Okay? Started?
J. Gun. No.
No? Okay.
J.
Juice? Does it has J sound in the beginning?
Yes.
Okay. Next.
Jam.
Jam. Does it has J sound?
Yes.
Okay. On jam.
J.
Jam. Yes.
J.
Very good. Okay. Jump on jug.
J. J. J.
Jug.
J. G.
Okay. Jump on job. 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 It's not G. It's job. Job. Yes. Jump on jet. And jump on jug. Jug. Jump on jack. What sound is it? Oh. What sound is it? Oh. Okay. Now start. What's this? What's this, Flashy? Goat? What is it? Coat. Coat. We wear it in the winters? Okay. Yes. Does it has O sound?
Yes.
Then what do you have to do now? You have to match it. Next.
Moon.
Does it has O sound? No? Okay.
Boat.
Boat.
Boat. Yes.
Okay. And what's this?
Takia.
Takia. It's a, see, there are bubbles on it. What's this? It's a, you take bath with it.
Soup.
Soap, yes. The soap has O sound?
Yes.
Okay, where? In the beginning, middle or end? Say, put out one finger for every sound.
Beginning.
Oh, no, one finger for every sound. Say soap.
Oh. Beginning.
O, P. O, P. What's this?
Beginning.
Me, हाँ, बीच में, middle. It's middle.
Middle. K. O. T. K. O. T. Coat.
Yes.
O. O. Foam.
Now, what's this? Done, Prashi, it's done. What's this? Now next,
Egg.
egg. Does it has I sound in it?
No.
Okay, next.
Cross. Karo, please.
Okay, you can cross it. Okay, next.
I. D. I. D. Spide. D. I. S. Dry.
Sound is it? E. Okay. Start. Oh, open the pen. Yes. Do it fast, Prashi, okay?
Feet.
Feet.
Yeah.
Yes. Match it.
O.
Put one hand on the notebook, please.
Tree. Tree.
Tree. You do it on your own. Tree.
Tree.
Okay.
Sheep. Sheep. No.
Sheep.
Sh. E. Yes.
Okay. What's this? What's this?
Bee.
Bee.
Bzz.
Zzz. Okay.
B. E. B. Yes. Injection.
Injection? Look carefully. Is it an injection?
Yes.
This is a pin.
Pin.
Does it has E sound?
No.
Yes. E. Mm.
Yes.
E. Mm. I'm saying P. E. Not P. E.
No.
Okay.
Cancel, please.
Okay, cancel please.
It's a better cancel.
Hmm. What's this, Prashi? What's this? First tell me, what is it?
Train.
Train. Now can you speak out the sounds and raise a finger for each sound?
T.
Hmm?
A.
You can keep the pen down. You can keep it down. Now you can say it. Yes. Start again.
T.
Hmm.
A.
Yes, train.
Train.
Can you try to write it? Hold this.
Huh?
Hold this. Now, can you try to write it? What is the
Yes.
first sound?
T.
What? Okay, T. Can you write T?
Yes.
Yes, then write it. Very good.
T.
T. What is the second sound? Very good. Can you write? Okay, write it. Very good. A.
A.
A. Where is A over here? A. This is E. Where is A? Where is A, Prashi? Yes, this is A. So write A. Write like this.
S.
Essay. A and I together make A sound. Okay? Yes. And write. Okay. Do one thing. Write. Oh. A over here. Okay. Write A over here and I over here. And what is the last sound? T. A. Very good, right? Right? Very good. E. B. Okay, which word? Sorry, which sound will come from here? E. Very good. B. E. Write E. Okay, write it here. Okay, write one E over here. Very good. B. E. B.